Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out a compact but a powerful speaker, the HP DHS-2111 Multimedia Speaker. It's affordable, stylish and perfect for your desk setup. Let's get into it. So let's unbox this. So inside this box, I have got this. So inside this box, I have got this speakers and a user manual, you can see, and some warranty cards and all. Here's our speakers. Let's unwrap. Wow. Inside the box, I have got this two speaker with this attached USB cable and a 3.5mm of audio cable. The speakers have a nice matte finish with a clean and modern look, compact enough to fit on any desk but stylish enough and stand out. Each speaker has a smooth and minimal design with a metal smash in front, you can see here. So these speakers are compatible with PCs, laptop and other devices with audio output. Now let's test the sound quality of these speakers. Now I'm gonna connect with my laptop. Here's a USB cable. Yeah, I've connected. So I'm gonna connect with my PC. First, insert USB cable in a USB port and in audio jack port. Now I will play music. Yeah, you have seen here the sound quality is good. It sounds small, but trust me, the sound is clear, balanced, and surprisingly loud for its size. It's perfect for watching YouTube, running online meetings, or casual music listening. So don't expect deep bass, but the mids and highs are clean. So guys, this is very budget-friendly speaker for your home office or study desk or casual media use. So this HP DHS-2111 is a solid choice. It's simple, reliable and gets the job done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews and drop a comment if you want me to review more budget gadgets. See you in the next one.